Dear students, I am Dr. Savinder Kaur from the Department of Distance Education, Punjabi University, Patiala. First of all, I welcome you student in the BCom course that you have taken the admission in this prestigious department of Punjabi University. In this video, I will tell you some informations regarding the subject that is the business law which you are going to study in the semester 1. The business law basically governs or basically covered the entire laws which are help to do the business in the country. And you very well also know the business law governs the world of a commerce. We call all rules as business law or commercial laws. The laws governs all the dealing of businesses and the conduct of people orientated with such businesses. In India, some of the business law followed from the pre-independence era, and however newer business laws are always being passed. In your syllabus of BCom semester 1, business law syllabus is divided into two parts. In the part 1, you will study the law of contract, in which the nature of contract, types of various contracts, essential of contracts, etc. You are going to study. Secondly, you will also study the special types of contracts like indemnity, guarantee, bailment, pledge, etc. And in part 2 of the syllabus, you have to study the Sale of Goods Acts Partnership Act, the Limited Liability Partnership Act, etc. Dear students, the syllabus of all the papers and the study material of all the papers are available on the department website, and the address of department website is www.pbidde.org, and you can go there and have that study material. You can read the study material, you can download the study material from there. And as you know, your PCP is going to be held in the department very soon, and I hope that you will go through that study material before coming to the classes. And in the classes you can ask us questions about the material which you have studied. And I hope this video will benefited you to know about the basic structure of your syllabus, and it will slightly clear your doubts about the syllabus which you are going to study in the BCom semester 1 course. Thank you.